Hey guys, Adrian Morrison here, and in this video, I want to show you how to do bulk exporting of your daily orders using a really cool app that Shopify allows you to download on their App Store, and it's called the Xporter app. Now, when you are doing bulk CSV drop shipping, meaning you're sending all of your orders, your daily orders to your vendors on AliExpress in one big file, and they ship them out for you. If you have a bulk CSV drop shipping deal with them, this is going to be very beneficial for you. You can do it without the Xporter app. It's just more of a manual process. And using this really cool app, we are able to automate our reports, and they're emailed to us every day, and all we have to do is send them to our vendors. And those reports are going to include files that have the customer name, the address, the product that they ordered, the color or style that they ordered, and the quantity that they ordered. And you'll be able to send these files straight to your vendor. They can review all of the customer's orders for their products. They can ship them out, and then you just pay one big bulk invoice. It's usually how it works. But this video is going to show you just how to locate the app, what the app does, and how to download it. And then we're going to do a whole nother video on setting it up. So I'm going to get out of the PowerPoint real quick. And right now we are in the Shopify store. So to get the Xporter app, what you're going to do is come down here to the bottom left. There's a little puzzle piece, and it says apps. So let's just click on this, and it's going to allow you to start downloading really cool plugins and apps. I want you to think of the App Store kind of like your iPhone or Android phone. You know, I mean, iPhone is great, but what really makes the iPhone a powerful tool are all of the apps that you can download and plug into your phone. So the same thing applies with Shopify. You can make your Shopify store mega powerful by utilizing some of the apps that they make available to you. So you click on apps, and at the top right, you're going to see a blue button that says visit the Shopify App Store. So let's click on that button, and here it's going to ask us to search for the exact product that we're looking for, or we can go through and look at all of the different products they have available, which we're not going to do in this video. We're just simply going to type in Xporter. So notice that I'm just typing in a name in the search bar. So Xporter app, right? And it's going to bring up a couple of different options. So let's just type in Xporter. And when we type in Xporter, Xporter, you can see exactly how I spelled it right here. It's going to pull up this app right here, and it's not free. It does cost a little bit of money, but oh my gosh, time is money, and this is going to save you boatloads of time. So you just click it, and it'll give you a quick description. Export customers, orders, transactions, everything, automatically have them emailed to you. Customize the format. I mean, it's a really nice tool, and as you can see, they've got a lot of great reviews, and they also have a very, very helpful support staff. So depending on the plan you choose, it's going to be $7 to $40 a month. You don't need to start out with the most expensive plan. We just started out with the $7 one. So to get it, all you do is hit this big green button that says Get. And it's going to say, you're about to install this app on your store. Are you sure you want to do this? We're going to say yes, install app. And now it's going to ask you, and I'm just going to zoom in on this for you. It's going to ask you what type of subscription you want. They have the bronze, the silver, and the gold plan, right? So we're just going to start out on the bronze plan. And when you click on each one, it tells you what it gives you. So this is the basic plan. It allows you almost all of the Xporter app's functionality. It lets you export all specified fields and generate templates. They do have a free trial period of 7 days. So if you decide you don't like it, you're not charged anything. Now the silver plan is the deluxe feature plan that allows you to use all of the functionality, and it allows you to access a whole bunch of other cool little tools. Eventually, you will end up on the silver plan, but may as well just start with the bronze, unless, as you're going through, you figure out you need some of these other plans. Really, one of the big pluses to having the more expensive plan is it allows you to set up different templates, meaning different vendors. So we work with a bunch of different vendors on AliExpress. So for that, we use each vendor has their own template, their own report, I guess you could say. So the real benefit of the silver plan is it just allows you to generate more reports for different vendors that you work with. Just for the sake of it, we're going to go ahead and get the silver plan, because I know that we'll be doing a lot in here, and I just want to make sure that we have everything that we need as we're adding a lot of products. But you can probably start out with the bronze. Honestly, I don't think it matters. Add subscription. It's going to ask us to approve the charge, and it's all, as you can see, done inside of Shopify. And now here we are. We are inside of the app, and it's going to say, now you got to set up your first template. Now, I just want to see if real quick I can pull up for you an example of what this does for me every day. It's so nice. It pulls up in my email daily reports. So I'm just going to, real quick, I'm going to pull over my email account, and I'm going to show you how it delivers reports to me every single day from our different vendors. All right, so I'm going to do that. Let me just slide this screen over. Okay, now you should be able to see my email, and these are all Xporter reports that are emailed to me. You can see that they come in every day at 12 o'clock a.m. So it's going to generate for me reports for all of the different vendors that I'm working with, and the items that I sold that day that vendor provides for me. So that way I have the entire day's worth of sales, and you can see each different report is a different vendor. Like this vendor at the top may be someone that we sell crystal necklaces through, and maybe we sell crystal bracelets and crystal, belts and scarves. And then this vendor right here may be somebody that we sell fishing gear through. And this one right here might be someone that we sell pet-related items through. So what it does is it breaks out the reports for you into vendors. That way I can say, hey, I can send just this file right here, this file that's been emailed to me. I can email it to my AliExpress vendor that supplies me with all of the pet products that I sell. Boom. That way they only see the orders that they provide for you, and they charge you for those, and they can fulfill them. You don't want your vendor at AliExpress seeing all of the other stuff that you sold that has nothing to do with them. All right, so I hope that makes sense. It's for organization, and you're able to separate these reports out by the vendor. Remember when you watched the how to add a product to Shopify video, and when you add a product, you would put in the vendor name that you get the product from. So that crystal necklace that we added to the store, we put in the vendor name there. We're going to use that to generate these reports. That way we generate a very unique, specific daily report for each person that we use drop shipping with, and we can send them the file that contains nothing but the orders they are going to fulfill for us. And it's all automated. Every single day we get these emails, and it just makes life so easy. We don't have to do anything other than the initial setup. But first, you need to come into Xporter app, and you actually need to set up your templates. Now, I'm going to be honest with you. I have no freaking clue how to do this because I've never done it before. I had my partner Corey do it. So I'm going to bring Corey on in the next video, and he's going to show you exactly how to set up these templates so you can duplicate how we do it for our stores. This is something that I haven't seen anybody film a video before, and it's probably because they don't know that it exists or they have no clue how to use it. We're going to make it easy for you, and you'll be able to set up a report in 5 to 10 minutes. It'll automate, and it's going to be a heaven send for you. All right. So that's it for this video. Remember, you go to the App Store, you download the app, which now will be available for you under your apps tab. You'll see it here, Xporter, and get this on your store. Go to the next video. Corey's going to show you exactly how to set up a report so you can automate this process and focus on your ads and selling more products. All right, I'll see you on the next video.